Hello everyone, this is Dana from The Viewer, and I'm here with an exciting new update about The Viewer. This is phase 2 of the website, and with phase 2, stitchers who have accounts on the website are now able to upload the images of their own fabric to their account on designandfabricviewer.com. As we know, what you see on the computer screen when you're playing with the viewer, you go to order your fabric and what comes in isn't always a perfect match to what you envisioned it to be, but you still want to upload what you have to compare it on the website with the different designs that are there. So we're going to start. Let's log in first. And then we come to the usual home page. But there's a new tab up top. It's called My Fabrics, and it's designated with a little star. That star is going to be important later on. So My Fabrics, you're going to click on that, and I'm going to show you how to upload it. This is what your screen's going to look like when you first log in. So as you can see, there's like nothing there. So let's go to Add Fabric over here on the right side of the screen. So you click on that, and instructions are already there, but I'm going to go ahead and show you anyway. So I'm going to upload a fabric from Sparkly's Fabrics. It's a really cool color called Dark Goddess. So I'm going to type that in. Forgive me, I can't spell this evening. And there's no place to upload just yet. You just need to put the information into your account on the website. And once you've done that, come right here again to the right side and click Save. Then the upload, the ability to upload shows up on the screen in step 2. So you want to go upload your fabric. So click over here on upload. This feature I'm going to explain in just a moment. That's for those who use the website from their phones. It's really kind of a cool feature. Upload a file, but we're talking about this. So I go into my documents and I find where you store your images. I'm going to double click on Dark Goddess. It will upload immediately. Your changes have been saved. And then you're all set. So let's go test it out. I'm going to go into Designer to start right here. And I'm just going to kind of quickly pick something really cool. Let's start with Bella Filipina. And I want to see how his design anemone looks. So I'm going to put that there. Now let's go to click on Fabrics, and here you should see, notice there's 2 sparklies here. The sparklies with the United Kingdom, that has the fabrics that are already uploaded, but if it has the gold star, that is what belongs to you. That is where you have images. So I'm going to click on sparklies. I'm going to click on Dark Goddess and see what she looks like. Oh, that's kind of neat. And that's how you upload your own fabric to the viewer. Notice these have stars. I want to favorite this. And now all 3 of them show the favorite because they're all 3 the same thing. It automatically defaults to all 3 spaces to compare your fabric and images. So now you've also favorited it, and the star indicates this is your image, not the image that's standard in the viewer. If you want to try something else, let's try a different design. Let's go back to Designers, and let's see what a Koya Pearl Mermaid looks like on it. And that looks kind of cool. And that is how you upload your new fabrics. You can upload, I believe the limit now is 200. I'll have to double check and get back to you on that. If you want to see all your favorites, remember the number right here shows how many you've designated. And all of them are right here, including the one with your image. I think that's it for today. I'm going to, as soon as I can do it from my phone and show it to you, I will show you how to take a picture and upload it to your account in a separate video. If you have any questions, as usual, you can contact me, designandfabricviewer@gmail.com, or Dana@designandfabricviewer.com. You can also reach me there. This feature is only available to those who have paid accounts. It is $5 a month. And I think that takes care of anything. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye-bye.